Hello all. This is Nuevo Container Spreadsheet XLS file. So on datasheet you will see products data. This file was sent to me by Michael. Next file, itemsample.csv file I found on Basecamp and I downloaded that file. And then I created a new file. So on this XLSX file you will see instructions, setup, sales order and data sheets. Those sheets are from Nuevo Container Spreadsheet. Item sample CSV is a sheet that contains data from item sample CSV file. Then I created master list sheet, and here's what I have done. Let's analyze this. In second row I inserted images. Images, you cannot now edit the file because, as you can see, you cannot edit it because the sheet is protected. Go to review and protect sheet, and then you will be able to edit the file. So let's now check the product data. We will start from container products. On wireframes on page 53 exist container products. I think that this will be similar as category. When you click on container 1, it will open a listing pages with all products that belong to that container products. So for classic home I received direct container zip file, and in that file you will see products like that. So this will be, for example, this how will client populate that data. Now it has container products, and then we will use copy and description of that for that container. So you will see on wireframes there is a container 1, that's a name of category, and here you have a description of that. So we will need that data for both. So products will all be on one sheet. All products will be on one sheet for input. So this is for container products. Container products, the name, it's highlighted with, I marked with red what needs to be in this column. You will also see a column container item. If it is a container item, then it will be shown on this page when you click on this. So if user goes to and click container products at the bottom in the footer, then this page will open, and then all the products that have container item set to yes will go to that. I will know that this product should go to that category. Then in order to know in which category it should go, you should populate this column, and this will be a description column. Now let's check the categories. In a case user clicks on products, then it will go to a detail. It will go to a page like this, and we will need a category levels for all the products, and these are the categories, two main category columns, category and subcategory. So this is description column 2. I used it from item sample CSV file to create it, and then I parsed out this description column to get the category level. So here's what I have done. Stool. Okay, and now all stool products. For all stool products, I entered stools and just paste it. In a case, a product should go to two subcategories, two categories or two subcategories. For example, this product can go. This is a dining chair, so it can be for me. It can go to chairs category, then to description to subcategory dining chair, or for example, it can go to chairs and to lounge chair. So these additional two columns are in a case that product can go to two category or two subcategories. Now I see on wireframes there is new releases and last call categories. In a case product should go to new releases, that's something like new products or what's new page, or this last call, just enter yes in these columns, and I will note that I should import this product to category new releases or last call. So you have a comment, yes, no values. Now let's check. This is item name. This is the same as the description column from item sample. So these are filters. I see on page 24 and 25 these filters. So filter by collection. We will need all collections possible, and all products should have something in collections column. So here you have material, reclaim material, collection locations. So for all collections, so all these products should have a collection name. Location, there are two options for location, residential or commercial. So it should be residential or commercial. Small package, large package. This is for size. Small. And so on and so on. This is a filter by color. You have a so you will see my comments, but for some reason I cannot save it properly, so just click and edit that and to see. Now let's see. So those are filters. SEO method description. You have a comment, read it. Product is active or yes or no. In a case they do not have images for all the products, I can import products data and disable the product, and when they provide an image for a product, then just upload the image product and then enable the product. So that's for that. This is child we can not use for now. I will use these columns to get the configurable products, because on detail page you will see there is a color options, and I think that these are finishes options. So when you choose, so this will be a detail page of a configurable product with 3 color options or finish options. So user can select white or black or white or gray or black product, and for this finish they can choose, I don't know, we'll see through the products data that I have, and then I will determine how the best way to ask for data from client. Sales minimum quantity and container minimum quantity are not the same. So for container items there will be a rule when an item user can buy a minimum quantity when they are buying container products, and here is that minimum quantity. So this from datasheet, from Nuevo container spreadsheet, should go to this column. But also user can set, we can import and set a minimum quantity of products that user can buy on wholesale site. So this is common for that. Number of items per box. As the big name says, it's a number of items per box. So these are, I see that they didn't provide manufacturer suggested retail price for Canadian, nor for, there is something also missing. You have unit price US dollars, but there is not a unit price in Canadian dollars. They have, as you can see, 2 types, not 2, architecture, USD architecture, designer, and this is a unit price, and manufacturer suggested retail price. So in a case there is a US price, there should be a Canadian price. So this is a unit price, this is unit price US dollars, but there is one is missing, unit price Canadian dollars. Also distributor USD, distributor US dollars, but there is no distributor as for Canadian, so we will need both. FOB price, FOB price, this column is not needed. Container choices, this is container choices. Check. Yes. So you can change the order of these columns which I created. I created it using the Aidan Gray database sample file. So there are some products data for that site. So you will delete these columns, these rows, from row 4 to row 20. Now let's check. For main image, in a case they provide images that are having same name as the SKU, then these columns are not needed. In a case they want to provide images with different names, then they should provide a column with image names. So for this is a product with SKU with this SKU, and you have an example how it should be populated. Now let's see. These are dimensions attributes: length, width, and height. So these are those three columns. I copied them from item sample CSV file. I found it. So this is product dimensions. I found same products on datasheet and on item sample CSV files. Some are the same. For example, this product, and here it is on item sample, so it exists on both. And I do not know product dimension 4 to product dimension 7 what are those dimensions, but you will see this product info tab, disclaimer tab, specification candle, specification furniture, and specification garden, specification lighting. Those attributes are for Aidan Gray's site, and I put it here only so you can have an example how those data are provided to us, and now you have the examples. So you will see that some products have data like that. So you can ask clients to provide data, because as you can see they have data for stools, chairs, and lamping. In a case they have for lighting, for table lamp, they have an attribute, for example wattage. Then just insert a column and create a specification like this. Specification, for example, I will do like this, insert, and put wattage, and then for those products that have wattage, populate that. I will try to find lamps. So for example, these products could have, this is a table lamp, and maybe this table lamp has 2 bulbs. Just put in that, what was the column, CA. For example, this is wattage, put 60 wattage, and put here that it has 2 bulbs. And in a case they have additional info, just enter it like that, and I will know what to do. There it is. I will send you this file so you can have that. You will find. So this is an example for existing product. Table lamp could have 2 bulbs, 60 watts each. So these columns are not for this site. They are only for you as an example. In a case you have additional attributes, so you can explain to clients how to give us data for additional attributes. All those attributes could be shown on detail page. So we can show we have on detail page some tabs. Let me find. So we have description tab, specification tab, and line drawing tab. For specification, on specification tab we can show all the attributes which client provide us and which they want to show on specification tab. That's all for now. I will make a sample database with I will create an example for configurable products, how to create and how to populate data. That instruction will be on additional video.